Hello dear children, welcome back to the grammar class. And today we are going to see a new chapter, that is chapter 12, word game. Okay, word game. So let us see if you can put in the missing letters the words in the help box given below will help you. So this is help box. Okay, so one is done for you. Okay, so let us see if you can put the missing letters. So this is all the words, but some letters are missing. Okay, now we have to find out the missing letters, but we have a help box here. Below we have help box. With the help box we have to find out the missing letters and we have to complete the word, that is word game. Okay, now they have given here hint. Okay, so we have to read this hint and we have to guess the spellings and we have to guess the word. We have to complete the word. Okay, so the first one, we write with this. So already they have given the answer, that is what we are using for to write, children? Pen. P-E-N, pen. That is the first one. Okay, so the second one, they look after ill people. So the first spelling is N-R-S dash. So what is the answer, children? They look after ill people. So what will be the answer? Nurse. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Okay, that we have to write here. Third one, we smell with this. So you can see a picture here. So what we are using to smell? Yes, you know the answer because it is there in the EVS, isn't it? Yes. So N dash S dash. So what is the answer? Nose. N-O-S-E, nose. The next one, they sew our clothes. So who will sew our clothes, children? Yes, very good. The answer is tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. The next one, fifth one, it shines in the sky during the day. So during the day, what is shining? Yes, dash N. So very simple answer. Do you know the answer? No? Yes, sun. S-U-N, sun. The next one, they bring our letters. Who is bringing our letters, children? Do you know? Yes, P dash S T dash dash. What we call for that man? Yes, postman. Okay, postman who brings our letters. Okay, the next one. It shines in the sky at night. At night, what is shining in the sky, children? Yes, exactly. Moon, isn't it? Yes. So M-O-O-N, moon. So it is there, M dash dash N. The next one, we write on it. What is that? Can you see here? Yes. So we write on it. P dash R. So what is the answer? Paper. P-A-P-E-R, paper. The next one, we use it to comb our hair. Okay, so what is that? What we call for this? Yes, C dash M dash. What is that? We call comb. C-O-M-B, comb. The next one, we wear these on our feet. What is that? Yes, S-H dash dash S. So what is the answer, children? Shoes. S-H-O-E-S, shoes. We wear these on our feet. Okay. Next one. It lives both in water and on land. What is that? F-R-G. Very familiar, isn't it? Yes. What is the, children? Frog. F-R-O-G, frog. The next one, we use it to wash our hands. So S dash dash P. Nowadays all are washing hands oftenly. Why? Because of this pandemic. Yes, corona. Isn't it? Yes. So what is the answer, children? Yes. SOAP. So. Yes. Next one. 13th one. It is used to cut fruits and vegetables. So you can see a picture here. KN dash F dash. So it is used, Mama is using to cut to fruits and vegetables. What is that? Knife. KNIFE, knife. Next one. It has 4 legs and gives us milk. What is that? C-W. It has 4 legs and it gives us milk. So that is cow. C-O-W, cow. Next one. It runs on fuel and has 4 wheels. What is this? C-R. What is that? Car. C-A-R, car. The next one. Girls wear this. F-R dash C dash. So not the boys. Only girls like to wear this. What is that? Frock. F-R-O-C-K, frock. Next. We sit on this. What is this? Yes, C-H dash dash R. So we used to sit on this. That is chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. The last one, we wear it in winter. So what is this, children? We wear this in a winter. C dash dash T, that is coat. C-O-A-T, coat. Okay. So here I have completed the word game. So you can see here, children. P-E-N, pen. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. N-O-S-E, nose. T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. S-U-N, son. P-O-S-T, M-A-N, postman. M-O-O-N, moon. P-A-P-E-R, paper. C-O-M-B, comb. S-H-O-E-S, shoes. F-R-O-G, frog. S-O-A-P, soap. K-N-I-F-E, knife. And C-O-W, cow. C-A-R, car. F-R-O-C-K, frog. C-H-A-I-R, chair. C-O-A-T, coat. So your homework is you have to complete this word game. So kindly write the spellings properly. You can use a help box, look at the spellings and write the spellings properly. Okay, so complete in your textbook itself. Okay, so see you in the next class. Take care and bye bye. Thank you.